Do you need a calculator to embed on your HubSpot site? Here's how to do it without any code. To add a calculator to HubSpot, visit Convert. You can book a demo or start for free. You can start from a template or from scratch. Templates cover different industries like solar, print, SaaS, finance, and more. We have templates for major use cases like pricing quote forms, ROI calculators for demand generation, product configurators, booking forms, and more. This is a price quote calculator. Calculators can also display outputs instantly with or without additional breakdowns. Use multi-step forms if you have a lot of questions. Display additional costs as users answer. Convert is made up of elements. You can collect inputs from users via a range slider, a number field, a multiple choice question, a drop-down, and more. Display output as a formula, similar to a spreadsheet. Layered images are for product configurators. You can use tables and charts too. Convert is modular, which means you control the design however you want, down to the very detail. Advanced input fields can look like a phone number. Say you want to calculate the distance between two locations and add to the price. You use place fields. It uses Google Maps API. Another interesting one is the file format. You can specify which file formats and extensions you want to accept. Layered images are used for product configurators. Customize product images based on real-time answers from users. We integrate with Snipcart and payment providers too. Let's embed this solar savings calculator in our HubSpot website. Publish your calculator. You can host them on our website too for faster load times. Next, copy the HTML code and go to HubSpot. Insert a rich text field. Delete this text and insert the embed field. Paste in the code we copied. And that's it. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact our support. We can also build the entire calculator for you if you want to opt in for our concierge services. All of the data will flow into Convert. You can use this data to iterate and improve. Our HubSpot integration doesn't stop here. You can send the data to HubSpot directly via Convert and make sure everything connects to a single source of truth. We have a HubSpot plugin too.